So now I want to move on to a skincare line that I have recently featured on this channel that I'm really liking. As you know, I've always been a fan of natural products, but specifically the healing power and properties of Manuka honey. This line that I'd like to share with you is Power of New Zealand, and I'm going to start with the Bee Venom Super Mask. It's a potent concentrated Manuka honey super mask to create stunning ageless skin, as they say. It uses powerful bee venom serum to help combat the effects of urban pollution and aging. Bee venom stimulates repair and radiance. Manuka honey and the unique Vinyasa extract from kiwi and grapes brighten and tighten your skin, boosting hydration, radiance, and rapid repair. So we're going to start with this super mask that you will do once or twice a week. And then this is something that I use every day, and it's the next product, and it's also a Power of New Zealand product. It is Bee Venom Super Serum, an energized concentrated bee venom serum to give you younger, brighter, and vibrant skin. So this is something that I would put on right after I've washed my face, and it's kind of a brownish color serum, and you blend it in, you rub it in, you can follow it up with your moisturizer and any sunscreen for the daytime, and then apply your makeup. There's another product in this line, and it's the last one, and it's for nighttime, and this is Manuka and Reishi Night Oil by Power of New Zealand for smooth, even tone, and radiant skin. I have become a huge fan of oils. I find that as I get a little bit older, my skin gets a little drier. Want something of an oil-based but not greasy, something that penetrates and feels good on the skin, doesn't clog pores, doesn't create acne or anything like that. So I've really been transitioning a lot to facial oils at nighttime and have been very happy with doing that.